I have KRUGER Matz Live 7S and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So let me start with the Intelligent Assistant. So here let's tap Settings, then you need to choose Intelligent Assist, and as you can see here you can use some fingerprint function. For example, you can use the long press of your fingerprint to answer calls, or you can click the fingerprint to return back or to enable music player. What's also really interesting, you can use navigation bar and you can change your style right here. Let's go back, and one of the most useful features is 3-point screenshot. Let me just enable this feature, and now you can swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. That's it. Let me show you again. Excellent. You can also read about split screen mode right here. So that's it. Now let's go for the second trick. Let me show you the super screenshot. Let's just open the screen that you want to capture, and if you would like to, for example, save the whole list of settings, you need to use upper bar, and let's here swipe left, choose super screenshot. Here you can record screen, you can move the screenshot, you can make some funny screenshot, or you can use the scroll option. Let me use scroll, tap next page, and tap save. That's it. So now if you open the gallery, you should see here the super screenshot right here. As you can see here, you've got the whole list of settings, so you just scroll down your screen and save the whole list of settings. So that's it. Let's go for the third trick, so the magnification feature. Let's find and select settings, choose here accessibility, and let's select here magnification. So you can enable magnification with triple tap right here. So if you now triple tap somewhere on the screen, you can magnify things, and you can swipe or move your position by using 2 fingers. Let's triple tap to quit this magnification. You can also here magnify with button. So if you enable this magnify with button feature, you will see the following icon in that corner. Let's tap it, and you can choose the position and magnify your screen. Let's tap the icon again, and let me disable this feature. So let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the Dura speed. So if you go to the list of settings, you should see the Dura speed. Let's tap it, and here you can enable Dura speed. So you can here help boost your foreground apps by restricting background apps. So let me just do it, and as you can see here, you can switch on to allow apps running in background. So you can make here some exceptions. You can, for example, enable calendar, camera. You can use more key, and you can, for example, turn all on, or you can turn on off. That's it. So now let me go for the last trick, so the save mode. Let's just start by pressing the power key. Here let's start holding power off for a couple of seconds. Let's tap OK to reboot to save mode, and let's wait a few seconds until the save mode pops up on the screen. And that's it, the save mode pops up, so now you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. As you can see, everything is right here. You can just use your device without these apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key, tap restart, tap OK to confirm it, and let's wait a few seconds. And that's it, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. And you just saw the 5 top tricks for the KRUGER Matz Live 7S. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.